English Learning Network.
Daily life, modal verbs.
Good morning, Anna.
Morning, Mark. You look tired. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I couldn't sleep last night. My neighbors were arguing again.
Oh no! You should probably talk to them calmly. It might solve the problem.
I know, but I'm not good at that. I might ask the building manager instead.
That's a good idea. If you want, I can help you think of what to say.
Thanks, that would help a lot. Anyway, how's your morning going?
Busy! I have to finish 3 emails before our team meeting.
Speaking of work, could you help me with the weekly report later?
Sure, I can help, but I may need some time. I'm still organizing the data.
No rush. The report must be ready by 4 p.m., so we still have time.
Okay, I will check your draft after lunch.
Great, and maybe we should also update the sales chart. It might look outdated.
Yes, we should. I can prepare the new numbers.
Do you want coffee? I can make one for you.
Thanks, but I think I shouldn't drink more coffee today. I already had 2 cups.
Really? You could try herbal tea instead.
Actually, that's a good idea. I might start drinking tea more often.
I might switch too. Coffee can make me anxious sometimes.
Same! But I must admit, it smells amazing. By the way, do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm not sure. I may go hiking if the weather's nice, but I might stay home and rest.
You should rest a little. You've been working so much.
Yeah, true. What about you?
My cousin is visiting, so I have to take her sightseeing.
Oh, that must be fun.
It is, but she walks fast. I might need new shoes after this weekend.
Haha, you could borrow my walking shoes. They're comfortable. Where are you planning to get lunch today?
I might try the new Thai restaurant. I heard it's good.
I would go with you, but I must finish my slides first.
It's okay. I can bring something back for you if you want.
Really? That would be great. Maybe just some fried rice.
Sure. I will bring it after lunch.
Hey, Anna, I'm checking the report. Do you think we should add a conclusion?
Yes, we should. It will make everything clearer.
Okay, I can write it.
Perfect. And I will review the grammar later.
You always catch mistakes. I could never do that.
Of course you could. You just need more sleep.
Thanks for all your help today. I wouldn't finish everything without you.
Don't say that. We all must support each other.
True. Are you leaving now?
Not yet. I need to make one more phone call.
Okay, I will head out then.
Have a good evening, Mark. Drive safely. Traffic can be crazy now.
I know. I might take a longer route to avoid it.
Good idea. See you tomorrow.
See ya. Have a nice evening.